The ideal helping hand around a job site or workshop? These magnetic holders, welding magnets, magnetic trays, magnetic bowls, and so on, perfect for garages, home, or the workplace, and they are very good for doing layout work. U-POLEMAG stocks a huge variety of magnets depending on your specific need. Small to large projects and various metal shapes require different types of magnets. U-POLEMAG has been focused on magnets and magnetic application more than 18 years. All for customers, more than a promise, sincerely looking forward to cooperation with you.